Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are here with a really new feature that will bring you big speed and power. So please take a look at here to understand it better. We have a null coalescing operator, right? And which is just a double question mark. And as a usage, so instead of using here this null check, to make sure if an integer is not null, right? Accordingly, you will assign this an integer value to this variable, and if it is null, so you just consider 100, right? So instead of doing this, make sure you understand it clearly. You just use null coalescing operator, and it means that it checks the left hand variable, and if it's not null, right, then evaluates it. So otherwise takes the right hand argument. So mainly that's it, right? That's it. But let's take a look at this, some more considerations that this documentation refers to. So if you want to use multiple coalescing operator, just make sure you use parenthesis. For example, 2 times using this, at the place you put this parenthesis, the meaning changes. That's why pay attention to it. What else? While using this SOQL query, as you know that if there is no value, right, there is no record, as a result of this query, you get an exception, right? But here you can just put your SOQL query on the left hand part of this coalescing operator, right, to make sure that if it returns null, so just take the right hand assigned the right hand variable, right, which is a default, for example, account here. You can just check it out here. Besides this, maybe you know or not, there is also this save navigating operator, right, which is a question mark and dot, and there is also sample of it. If you don't know, just you can search for this. It's also a really cool feature. Here we have an SQL query, right, from account, just selecting billing city. But if you use the save navigator operator, you make sure that if it returns at least one value, one record, then take billing city of it, right? And also here there's this debug statement, and it even combines 2 of them. There are some circumstances that you can't use this null coalescing operator as well, and it says that you can't use the null coalescing operator as the left side of an assignment operator in an assignment. So on the left part you can't use it. What's more, you can't use it at the SOQL bind expressions, right? As you see the example here, you can't make the binding with this feature. I think that's all. It was really quick, but I think in terms of feature, it is a result of this idea exchange, right? People just suggested it and then they implemented it, so we are lucky. And take care. Don't forget to subscribe and put a like. If you have started already using this feature, please put it under the comment so we can communicate and evaluate it. So take care and see you at the next video.